Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to find first non-repeated character from a string using Stream API. So far we have seen how to reverse a string and to find a duplicate character using Stream API. So let's start. I'm taking this string with some duplicate character and some non-duplicate character. First we have to call care function, which will return int stream, which is nothing but it will return integer of each character. Integer means it's ASCII value it will returns. So now what we have to do, we have to call map to object uh, to convert the integer value to character. We'll call a collect, then we'll call a grouping by function just to do the group of character. And I'm taking here linked as map to preserve the insertion order. Counting. Okay. We need to import this linked as map and collectors as well function linked as map. Okay, and it will returns a map character as a key and value will be of type long. Character map. We need to import map as well. Now we will call entry set to iterate over this map. Okay, which is nothing. It will return a set within a map. Now we have to filter. Sorry, first we have to convert into a stream. Then we'll filter it. Filter will also return a new stream. Get value will get only those values which is having occurrence as a 1. Now we will call a map function to get the characters only. This one is used for the conversion. Now it will returns only a character. So we call find first. Okay, and find first what it will returns? It will returns an optional. Okay, so because we have only characters, so that's why it's showing optional as type of character. Care optional. We need to import optional also. Okay, now we either we can just call a get function and print it. Okay, but it's better to check uh, the value is exist or not. So this function is present. If you want to check it's empty or not, we can call is empty. Now we will print it. First non-repeated character. Care optional dot get function. It will return a character. Now let's run this program. See, V is coming. Let me change the order. See, C is coming now. If you want to keep something else, like something like a G, it will returns a G. Okay, I'll show you something. If you don't take this linked as map, see how it will behave. So as of now, it's returning G. Now it will return a B. See, because it maintained the order. It's not maintaining the instance on order. So that's why I took linked as map. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like also. Thank you.